Hello, everybody. Welcome to 1LH and 1STK's class assembly. We have been learning so much in class, and we are going to tell you all about it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
My Spider-Man is so much better than your old teddy bear. It can shoot webs.
Nuh-uh, this teddy bear is so cuddly. My grandma used to play with him when she was little.
But can it do this?
Stop arguing, guys! High five! In this term, we be learning all about toys. Who can remember some activities we have done? We made sock puppets.
We play with toys from the past.
We investigated the different materials toys are made from. We investigated push and pull. I interviewed my grandparents. I interviewed my parents about what toys they played with.
What was your favorite toy when you were little?
When I was little, my favourite toy was this bear. He's called Big Ted, and I got him for Christmas when I was 3. I've got a photograph of me holding him on Christmas Day.
What did you play with when you were little?
I used to play with Action Man and Star Wars figures.
Well, I played a lot of outdoor games, and I built tree houses with my brothers and sisters, and we also built a go-kart out of an old buggy.
Did they float or fly?
I used to make some really cool paper plates, and those would fly.
Well, I had lots of teddy bears, and I used to have a pretend tea set, and I used to sit in the garden and have a teddy bears picnic.
What were your toys made from?
Well, they definitely weren't made from plastic. Most of the toys in those days were made from either tin or from wood.
Well, I used to have a favourite toy, which was a pogo stick, and that was made from metal.
This is my grandma's novels, and she loved to play with them when she was a little kid.
I used to play with My Little Ponies, and I loved setting up stables and farms.
Where did you get your toys from?
Oh, we got our toys from the
Little
local
shops?
market. Or from little shops, yeah, that's right.
And there are no malls.
Oh yeah, there were no malls during our time. We didn't.
We even got to bring our favorite toys from home. I want my toy dog Luma. I bought my Barbie. I bought my Elsa. I brought in my spinner. I brought in my Spider-Man. I brought in my Thor action figure. I brought in my flamingo. Those are lovely answers, but please remember to raise your hands up. We had a lovely day. It's time to pack up and go home.
light gone?
This one? Hey guys, I've been waiting so long for them to leave. I really need to brush my hair.
I always carry a comb.
I'm so tired and I miss my curls already. I have such a terrible headache. From being built up and from being knocked down every day. Well, if you think that's bad, we've been stuck at the top of a tower. And we're scared of heights.
You guys are so money. I had so much fun. Everyone wants to play with me.
Yeah, stop showing off. We all know you're sparkly and new. I don't like the children are arguing over us. We're all special in our own way. We are made of wood. And we've been around since 1882. And we help people spell. I am made of plastic. I help children learn about construction. Well, I'm 60. I've been a doctor, a scientist, an artist, and a teacher.
I have batteries so we can always play.
Someone's coming. This is my teddy bear, my favorite one, Bobby hair. This one my Barbie doll, she's lots of fun, shops in the mall. Silent, smiling, living up in the city. Her handbags all down the wall. She's laughing and she's pretty. I'm so cool, you are. My name is Spider-Man. I'm so cool, you are. Lost in the city. I'm so cool, you are. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm so cool, you are. That's me all the time. All the toys in Toy. All the toys in Toy. All the toys in Toy. We are gonna play with you. 'Cause we are gonna play with you. 'Cause we are gonna play with you. Go to type, cut out the box. Don't believe, just watch. Hey! Don't believe, just watch. Don't believe, just watch. Don't believe, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, stop! Wait a minute.
I'm a Lego block and you build me.
Pick me up, fix me up. Build the tower, make it strong. I'm the alphabet, I help you spell. Making all those words. When you use me, it's easy.
Learning all my